Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to do a time taken to charge and charging test in the MI Note 10 Lite device. As you can see here, so MI Note 10 Lite has a 5260 mAh of battery capacity, and this is so far the highest right now which is available at the moment with me. And with a 30-watt fast charging is also supported in this device. So in this video I'll be testing the charging test, how much time it actually takes to charge from 0 to 100%, and I will be recording the battery percentage for the first 30 minutes and next 1 hour, and once it's get fully charged we'll get to know how many minutes it took, like how many hours it took to charge completely from 0 to 100%. And meanwhile, if you want to know more details about the battery backup, like how much screen on time I got and regarding everything, I did another video as well. So how much screen on time you can get in this mobile, so don't forget to check that video. So if you want to know, you can check the links in description as well for the playlist of MI Note 10 Lite. So you can find that kind of very good interesting videos in the playlist, even this kind of good looking wallpaper. So definitely try checking the playlist links in description, and also follow me in Instagram for the camera samples. And for next couple of days, and I'll be using the MI Note 10 Lite only. So I think for the next 2 to 3 days I'll be using the MI Note 10 Lite as my daily driver user, and I'll be updating the camera samples as well in my Instagram group, even in the Telegram group as well. So try to follow me in the Instagram, and definitely I'll be posting the camera samples of the MI Note 10 Lite very soon. So right now it's 2%, and let me try to completely drain this 2% of the battery from the phone, and then I can start when the phone is in switch off mode. I'll try to charge like that. Later on in the next after 1 week I'll be trying to do another charging test as well, when the 4G data is on and when the screen is on. Then I'll try to check the how much time it actually takes when the phone is on and when the phone is in the switch off mode, so we can see the difference. But now I'll be doing the charging test only when the screen is off, like phone is completely shut down. So then starting from 0% to the 100%, we will get to know how much exactly figure. So right now it's just 1% I'm getting. I'm trying to wait the phone to get shut down. So meanwhile, let me talk about the adapter as well. So let me try to zoom in close, so you can see the readings also. 30-watt charger, so 30 watts maximum. So here you can see clearly 30 watts, so which is another good advantage for this kind of huge capacity of 5260 mAh capacity. So having the minimum 30 watts should be there if the phone battery is above 5000 in my opinion, because otherwise nowadays no one wants to wait 2 hours or 3 hours to get their phone charged. So now everyone want quick fast charging enabled in their device. So overall, even I'll be doing my impressions about the MI Note 10 Lite after using the 48 hours. So that video will be coming tomorrow, because it's just 24 hours of using this phone. So definitely I'll be doing another video tomorrow. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel for more in-depth videos on this mobile phone definitely. So finally the phone is completely switched off, as you can see. So let me try connecting the charger to the mobile phone, and I'll be starting the stopwatch as well in my OnePlus 7 Pro device. So let me open the stopwatch. As you can see here, the stopwatch is ready, and let me plug in the charger and cable and everything. So as you can see right now, the stopwatch has already begun, and the battery percentage also you can see 1%. So again I'll be back exactly after 30 minutes, and we'll get to know in the first 30 minutes how much the phone can actually charge. So let's see friends, using the 30-watt charger, let's see how much it can charge. So my prediction would be maybe close to 55 to 60. So 55 to 60, it can be around that kind of figure. So let us check whether that figure will be close to accurate or not. So if it crossed 60, then that's great. If it's below 55, I can say it's okay. So if it's between 55 to 60, then it's pretty good. So let's see after 30 minutes how much the battery can charge. So as you can see, it's been exactly 30 minutes of charging the phone. It's been 56% exactly got charged for the first 30 minutes. So as I said, if the phone get charged above 55 percentage for the first 30 minutes, then that would be considered as no good. So this with the 30 watts charging. And let's check in the next 30 minutes, like overall for the 1 hour, how much the phone can charge and how long from 1 hour it will take to charge full charge. So let's see again. So again, I'll be back after 30 minutes and we can compare the results side by side. So definitely friends, do subscribe to my channel and also like the video for this kind of efforts. So as you can see friends, the 1 hour time has been completed charging the MI Note 10 Lite, and let's check how much the battery it got charged. As you can see, 97 percentage for the 1 hour of charging from zero we started. So overall for the first 60 minutes, 97 percentage. And let me see how much time it will take to complete fully charge, and again I'll be back at that time. So finally, it took about 1 hour and 9 minutes to completely charge the MI Note 10 Lite. So that is about 69 minutes. So as you can see, friends, these are overall statistics of time taken to charge in the MI Note 10 Lite. So for the first 30 minutes, 56 percentage, and next for 1 hour, 97, and next 3% it took overall extra 9 minutes to charge. So these with the phone in switch off mode. So usually we don't charge from starting from zero. We'll charge about maybe 15% or close to 20 percentage. So then definitely within 1 hour you can completely get fully charge the device if you're charging your phone from 10 percentage or 15 or 20 percentage. So these are overall time taken to charging test in the MI Note 10 Lite, and these are best advantage for the mobile phone. 69 minutes of full charge even though the battery size is 5000 to 260 mAh. So for more videos, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.